Hey guys, welcome to our Team Crafty Monday. This is Miss Lauren, and today I'm going to show you guys how we are going to make our dragonflies out of a popsicle stick, some buttons, a pipe cleaner, and a hot glue gun. So make sure you have a hot glue gun. So what you guys are going to be getting is all of this. You'll get a handful of buttons, popsicle stick, and a pipe cleaner. And what we're going to do is we are just going to glue our big buttons along the base. We're going to save these two little guys for eyes. And then this is going to be our wings. So we are slowly just going to start. Oh my gosh, my glue gun is being dumb. There we go. Okay, so I'll glue this fun button on first. We're just going to go a line like this, just to make it a little bit easier on us. And we're going to glue our big buttons down. Oop, it dried very fast. We got to be quick, I guess. Just like this. And a little bit more. It dried already. Oh my goodness. Silly me. Oh my goodness. So of course, be careful with your glue gun. If you've watched me use a glue gun before in our crafts, you know that I always burn myself. Every time. Perfect. Okay. Oh my gosh. This glue gun, guys, is giving me a hard time today. And guess what? I burnt my thumb. Okay. So these now are all good and all stuck. So we're going to glue our little eyes. Be very careful. There's our two little eyes. And then we are going to fold these like wings. So I'm going to straighten it out again. And we are going to make sure that the wings are round and that they're beautiful, like this. So it looks like almost a little bow. And we're going to hot glue that on as well. Oh gosh, before it dries. Perfect. And then we're going to put a little dot at the top so that they stay like this. Okay. And, well, there you have it, friends. Here is going to be your button dragonfly that you can create. Mine isn't very colorful, but I bet you guys have a lot more colorful ones in the kits. So come on by, grab your kit to make this fun dragonfly craft, and we'll see you next time.